1959 Ford Skyliner that we just got. It is for sale. Go to our website to check out the details. What's rare about this, it's a factory air-conditioned convertible. Most houses didn't have air conditioning back in 1959. The retractable top was a mechanical marvel in its day. It's still very cool just to watch it function. You'll draw attention anywhere you go and you operate that top. You'll have people standing around it. It's the best of both worlds. You got convertible, you put the top up and it's like you're in a sedan or hardtop, and you got air conditioning. So it's really the best of both worlds. I'm going to demonstrate the top. You don't do anything but push the button. It even latches to the windshield all by itself. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting videos of cars on there on a regular basis. Pretty cool, huh? And that was just pushing one button. I didn't even have to get out of the car.